Hello friends, as you have seen that I am giving you all BBA LLB notes, so subscribe and like my channel so that you can watch my latest videos. So today we study about bailment. It is very important topic in Law of Contract Act. I will cover full chapter in coming 2 or 3 videos, but today I will complete that what is bailment and its essential features. So let's start. So firstly we will see that what is bailment. So this is defined in section 148 of Indian Contract Act 1872. Bailment as the delivery of goods by one person to another for some purpose upon a contract that they shall, when the purpose is accomplished, be returned or otherwise disposed of according to the directions of the person delivering them. So this is in this one person is delivering the goods and other is taking the goods. So this whole process is known as bailment. Bailment consists of delivering of goods. It is only a movable property. Friends, one thing more, here only movable goods can be the subject matter of the bailment. For example, deposition of money in a bank is not bailment, as money is not goods and the same money is not returned to the client, but the coins and the notes that are no longer legal tender and are more or less just objects of curiosity, then they can bailed. Here there are examples of bailment. For example, a man drops off his clothes for dry cleaning. Here a man drop off his clothes for dry cleaning. He is a bailer, and the purpose of bailment is to have the particular set of clothes cleaned. The dry cleaner is the bailee and he is temporary custodian of the clothes and is responsible for keeping them safe and to return them to the bailer once they have been cleaned. And the second example same was give watch for repair, etc. In bailment there are two parties, bailer and the bailee. Bailer is who gives or who owns and delivers the goods, and the bailee is who takes or to whom the goods are delivered. Simply it means that bailer was that of the person delivering the goods is called bailer, and the person to whom they are delivered is called the bailee. And the bailment is the process of transaction between bailer and the bailee. So this whole known as bailment. So if you understand what is bailment, so this is very easy to understand essential features of bailment. There are 3 essential features of bailment. First is delivery of possession, second is delivery upon contract, and third is delivery for a purpose and return of goods. So first is delivery of possession. In this, delivery of possession of goods is essential for bailment because delivery is very important in bailment. Here possession means control over goods and an intention to exclude others from exercising similar control over the same goods. Here is one example. If a person delivers his damaged car to a garage for repair under his insurance policy, the insurance company becomes a bailee and the garage a sub-bailee. If the car is stolen from the garage or destroyed by fire in the garage, both the insurance company and the garage will be liable to the owner of the car. Owner of the car who is the bailer. Bailer was the owner of the car and the insurance company is the bailee. So here delivery is of 3 types because delivery need not always be actual. In the books you have seen that they only cover actual and constructive delivery. Most of the books also cover symbolic delivery. So don't confuse. Here I will tell you all 3 types of delivery so that you can understand. So there are 3 types of delivery: actual, constructive and symbolic. So first is actual delivery. The bailer hands over the physical possession over the goods to the bailee. To understand this, here we have one example. A, the seller of a car hands it over to B, the buyer. It is the case of actual delivery of the goods. Second is constructive delivery. In this case, neither physical nor symbolic delivery is made, An action on part of the bailer merely puts the bailee in possession of power with respect to the bailed goods. To understand this, here we have one more example. A has rare coins in the locked safe deposit box. Delivery of a safe deposit box is not possible. When he hands over the keys of the box to B, it is taken as constructive delivery. And the third is symbolic livery, where the goods are bulky and heavy and it is not possible to physically hand them over to the buyer. Delivery thereof may be made by indicating or giving a symbol. Example, transferring of the key of the godown may be deemed to be delivery of the goods. So, second essential is delivery upon contract. It is essential that the goods are delivered to the bailee and returned to the bailer when the purpose is accomplished upon a contract. This means that there should a contract between the two parties for such transaction of delivery and subsequent return. If there is no contract, there is no bailment. The contract giving rise to bailment can be express or implied. Here, this have one exception also. A finder of goods is treated as a bailee even if there is no contract of bailment or delivery of goods under a contract. So, the third essential feature of bailment is delivery for a purpose and return of goods. There has to be a purpose for the bailment of goods, and it is mandatory that once such purpose is accomplishes, the goods have to be returned to the bailer or be disposed of as per his instructions. So, in the next video, we will study about duties of the bailer, duties of the bailee, rights of the bailer and the rights of the bailee, and termination of bailment.